Squeak. As our mama dog is doing security for her pups. And they are growing. They are getting close to 3 weeks. They are 2 weeks plus now. They are growing seriously compared to when they were born. And now they can see. They are no longer, their eyes is no longer closed. Little Bob, can you imagine? Little Bob has slept, Nana. Little Bob, you're already sleeping. Am I disturbing you? It's like I'm disturbing Little Bob. Okay, sleep. Don't let me disturb you. Sleep. Sleep. I don't want to disturb you. Good girl. Good boy. Yeah, after drinking. That's how they sleep. Have a nice day, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Put on your notification button. Follow us to encourage us so that we can have money to buy food for these little pups. Bella is a rescue dog. But we are just trying our best to keep her, give her the best. Because I already have my own 3 dogs. So you can come and let's go and see the 3 dogs. So let's go and see them. Wait for me. Wait. What's happened? Shut up. Don't want you to shout. Sit down. Shut up. Angels, don't shut up. I don't want you to shout. What happened? You want to go out? Wait. Sit down. Why is she shouting? Claire, sit down. Sit down, Claire. Sit down, Claire. Good boy. Why are you shouting, Angel? Why are you shouting? Why is she like this? Bella, go back. Bella has come because Bella heard you shouting. I didn't even tell them to go out.